Hey guys, and welcome to this new video on how to use discounts the right way. In this video you will learn how to use discounts in a way that it helps you drive more conversions, get more sales, and just use them more effectively in your online store. So please stick to the end and I'm sure that you will learn a lot of new things about discounts. Alright, so first of all, why do I make this video? Because I see so many people using discounts the wrong way. I see them using them all over the place, and there are a lot of common mistakes that people make with discounts, and if you avoid them, you can really maximize the potential of your discounts. So the first thing really is that you shouldn't overuse discounts and use them for basically everything that you have in your store. This is a very common mistake that people tend to put every single item they have on sale. So let's say you have 500 products and all of them have a discount, $10 off here, 20% off here, 3% off here. And of course it's tempting to do this because discounts are meant to increase your conversions. But at the same time, think about it. If you have every single item on sale and the customer sees that, it really devaluates the value of each individual discount by itself. So if someone was about to buy something and thinks, oh, probably this is a really cool discount, but the person then sees that all other items in your store are on the discount as well, and it seems like it's nothing special anymore, it can actually hurt your sales. So yes, it's tempting because it's always seen as a big and good marketing tactic, using discounts which increases sales because people are tempted to buy. But at the same time, you should always think, okay, how can I use discounts in the best way possible? Especially because you might have products that get very few sales anyway. So normally, just a few of your products make the majority of sales. So it's very useful to actually put discounts on these items and not on those that don't make sales anyway. So by doing this, you can avoid having this overload of this overload of discounts, which just drives people from not buying something because they might think everything is on sale, so it can't be that much of a good deal. So think about doing this, think about implementing this, and actually not using discounts for everything that you have. The second one is that you should really think about the value that you give in a discount. So just as an example, let's say you have a $100 product and you put it on sale for $90. This is $10 off, and it's okay. Like, you can save $10. It's not bad. But if you think about it, let's say you have a $20 item and offer it for $10. It's still just saving the people $10, but it's a way more tempting offer because people see that they will just pay 50% of the original price. So when you're giving discounts, people are not referring to them in an absolute way. They're always referring in a relative way. So you cannot expect someone to be as happy about a $10 discount for a $200 item than to be than on a $30 item. And this is what you need to keep in mind. If you sell expensive products like for $150 or so, a $10 discount won't have that much of a huge effect. So in this case, you should really try to increase the original price or the suggested retail price a little bit. Of course, in a way that it still seems realistic. So you cannot say that, hey, I don't know, this pair of socks normally costs $100 and now it's only $5, because people see that this is bullshit. But if you go ahead and say, hey, $200 normally suggested retail price, now you can get it for $130, right? If it's not a super common product that everyone sees, everyone knows exactly what it's worth, people might say, okay, great, that's a $70 discount, so that's a great deal. And another thing here is the so-called rule of 100. It says that if a product costs less than $100, it's typically better to use a percentage as a discount. So saying that this product is now $40 instead of $80, it's typically better to say 50% off because it sounds like a better deal. At the same time, if a product is over $100, let's say you have a discount going from $250 to $150, it's typically better to say $100 off because it sounds like it's a way higher value. So keep this in mind as well. If you have products less than $100, use the percentage. If you have it more than $100, then use the absolute value, the absolute amount of money that they save. And the third one is that you should actually try to include real urgency in your discounts. Now, I know this can be a tough one. People like to use urgency all over the place. And because most dropshippers and e-commerce businesses do not really have limited offers and limited specials, this urgency is fake most of the time. But you should really find this thin line between having urgency and fake urgency all over the place and actually using it not often enough. So if you think about it, let's say you have an email list of 1,000 people, and in this email list you want to promote your products regularly. If you have the repetition of being a store that just puts everything on sale and just having like infinite discounts and specials all the time, it's not really helping your sales, and people won't go crazy about your offers. If you email them, hey, I got this new product, it's 50% off for a limited time, but they know that all of your products are on sale all the time anyway, they probably won't get excited about it too much. On the other hand, if you always have just a few items on sale and always just for like a week or so, these people think, all right, great, I got a new deal. Let's see what products I get this time. Let's see what these guys put on sale this time. And the chance that you actually sell them is way, way higher, because they know that if you put something on sale, then it's really a good thing and that it's not something that you do all the time. So adding real urgency to your items, to your sale items, can be powerful. It doesn't mean that you should never put a sale on one item again, right? So you can put like a sale for 1 week and then you put some items on sale after that, and like 2 weeks later you can put the first item on sale again. It's not like you can never do this, but you should avoid doing this continuously all the time, especially if you do retargeting. People come back to your website and see that you just have everything on sale all the time anyway, so this immediately removes the urgency that typically should drive them to make a purchase. Like, you probably know this from yourself. If you go, for example, to these Amazon deals, Amazon flash deals and things like that, and it says only 5 days left, it gets you very, very like nervous about the deal, because if it's something that you want to buy, then it really helps you make the decision and increase conversions. But if it would just say, hey, it's on sale limited time, and 2 weeks later it's still on sale, you probably don't see the necessity of actually buying it right now. And this is the same for your online store, especially when you're growing and when you're building an audience. So I hope that these points were actually helpful for you. I know that they sound some kind of counterintuitive, because it's tempting to just put everything on sale and try to increase conversions. But if you really stick to it, and if you really have the discipline to not do this all the time, like I said, you can put your best sellers on sale and try to increase conversions for these items, while those items that don't sell that well, you could just avoid them. In this case, you can definitely increase conversions and especially drive engagement to your store in the long run. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If you liked it, please leave a like on the video, leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will answer them in the next video then. And as always, if you want to learn more about e-commerce, dropshipping, marketing, please subscribe to the channel and you will never miss out on the new videos. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.